Faros AI just published 2 years of telemetry from 22,000 developers, and they gave the findings a name: acceleration whiplash, which sounds like a rejected Fast and Furious subtitle, but honestly, it might be the most accurate phrase anyone's written about AI coding this year. Because here's the thing, the acceleration is real. Epics completed per developer, up 66%. Task throughput, up a third. Merged pull requests, up 16%. The tools work. Nobody's imagining the speed. Now the whiplash. For every code change that ships, the odds of a production incident more than tripled, up 243%. Bugs per developer, up 54%. So yes, you're going faster. Toward what is a separate question. My favorite stat in the whole report? Code churn, up 861%. That's code getting written, shipped, and then deleted, at scale. We invented a machine that produces first drafts at the speed of light, and then we merged the first drafts. And the pipes are backing up exactly where you'd expect. Time to first review, up 157%. Review duration, up 441%. And, this is the fun one, 31% more pull requests merged with no review at all. The team got a fire hose. The drain stayed the same size. And guess who's standing at the drain? Senior engineers. The exact people everyone said AI would free up. This is the part that actually got me, because it's subtle. AI code looks right. Clean structure, nice names, plausible everything. The flaws are logical, not visual, and only your most experienced people reliably catch those. So review didn't get distributed. It got concentrated. Which makes the AI means we can shrink the engineering team math kind of spectacular. You'd be cutting the seniors, who are now doing more quality work than before, based on output gains that are generating that extra quality work. That's not a strategy. That's a Jenga tutorial. Here's the honest read. This report is not anti-AI. The throughput gains are genuinely there, and Faros found that even teams with strong engineering foundations hit the same wall. It's anti-pretending. If code now arrives at machine speed, then review, testing, the whole delivery system has to be redesigned for machine speed. The teams that do that get the 66% without the tripled incidents. Everyone else gets whiplash. Go read the full report. It's linked below, and it's worth every minute of your time. I'm Novik. Stay curious.